Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I have started a personal DSA challenge where I am solving 5 problems per pattern, covering 180 problems in total. I'll be posting one video per day explaining my thought process from brute force to optimized approach. If you're new here, you can check out the previous videos to follow along. In today's problem, we will work on word break. The problem states that we are given a string yes and a dictionary word dict. We have to return true if yes can be segmented into a sequence of dictionary words. So for the brute force, the idea is we'll try every split position and we will recursively check the suffix. This repeats overlapping work and is exponential in worst case. So let's write the code for that. The base condition would be if s is null, then obviously we will return false. Otherwise, we need a set of strings. Let's call it dict new hash set of this we are doing this to make sure that we do not have any duplicates. Then we will return a method called canBreak, passing the string yes, this set dict and 0 as the start index. Now let's implement this canBreak method. So the return type would be boolean, method name is canBreak, and we will pass the arguments string yes, set of string dict and the start index. First we will check first we'll initialize n with the length of given string yes, and then we will check if start is equals to the last index n. If it is, then we will return true. Otherwise we will loop from the end, which starts from start plus 1 and less than or equals to n plus plus. Now let's take a string substring by splitting it from start till the current end. If the current dictionary contains the substring, then we will call the canBreak method by passing s, dict and end. If this one is true, then we will return true. Otherwise at the end we will return false. Let's run the code. It is accepted. So the time complexity is exponential, which is O of 2 power n, because for every index it can branch into 2 choices repeatedly, and the space complexity would be O of n for recursion depth. Now to optimize this, let me comment this out first. And yeah, similar to this, let's check if yes is null, will return false. We need a set and we need n, which is nothing but the length of the given string, and we need a boolean array memo of size n. Then we will return canBreak method by passing s, dict, start memo. Additionally, we are just passing memo. Now the return type is boolean can break. Yeah, this is similar to this, except that we are passing memo. Okay, in this method we need yes length, which is n, and we will check if start is equals to n. And before updating anything, we will first check if this memo of start is not null, which means it is already calculated. Then we will return that start. Otherwise, we would need this for loop. Okay, we would need this for loop starting from start plus 1 and ends at n, and we need a substring which starts from start till end, and if the dictionary contains of sub and maybe we can pass it here, can break of yes dict end and memo. Additionally, then we will update it to true. Memo of start to true, and we will return true. Otherwise, we will update memo of start to false, and we will return false. Let's run the code. Okay, let's submit it. It is accepted. So the time complexity here is O of n square. In the worst case, and the space complexity would be O of n because we are using an extra memo array, this one, and also we are using a set, plus we are also using a recursion stack. So yeah, that is it for today's problem, and I will see you in the next one.